Wilson, as you guys can see.
Hey,
this is
me. I'm home. Actually,
I love Harrods.
It's Sunday.
All my friends are in Harrods.
On a Sunday, this is actually a lazy day. A lazy day meaning I lay in bed with Evon. Well, he's not in bed right now with me because let us look.
Let's Chef Evon to you.
Okay, Chef Evon. Yes, Chef Evon is cooking fish. Look at the flip of the wrist. What are you watching?
Random advertisements.
Game. People playing game. That's what he's doing. Watching people play game actually.
On YouTube.
Oh, this week is your birthday week. Yes. Today's Sunday, so yeah.
3 days.
3 days.
Nothing.
Look, you have a bumper there, so.
Man, forget some microphone. You ever to me? You get out of it from me?
Alcohol?
Yeah.
Alright, fine. Birds? You were scratching it.
Yesterday.
Takes about 6 weeks for one to get. Hardware box, because all they did was flip around the series of CPUs is one channel memory, and there's only 2 DIMMs per CPU on here. So
Feel that one.
V2 or i7 based SKUs, those are single processor SKUs only. This could be about as close to a genuine.
I want to sleep.
Yes, want to sleep.
So you got a fake cockroach, but you don't know which one. So I can
Damn, this non
see if I can find anything that was stolen from the mouse on the work.
Anyways. Hey, good morning. What are you all doing in here? So, let me get what I'm here for. Milk. I'm making breakfast. An egg. I think I want to make a sandwich. I don't know yet. But I don't want to make it with bread. I just want to make it with lettuce. Because I'm kind of on a diet. Well, that's what I say. So yeah, I'll see y'all. Are you guys following me? Like legit? Are you following me? Oh, there's bottles here, but I can explain that. Should we recycle bottles? Oh, my face is so ashy. What am I trying to do? Oh, explain why there's a bottle there. So we use bottled water, and most time the bottled waters get refilled in the same bottle, so we collect the bottles over there. Explanation done. So if you see the bottles, ignore them. So as I stated, I'm making a sandwich. Oh, I have the almond milk because even though I said I'm on a diet, right, I did tell you that while I go in the fridge, Evon bought my favorite cake, and I'm whispering because I'm not supposed to be eating it, but I'm gonna have it anyways, you know. I'm gonna have it because nobody else is gonna eat it but me, and I know he's trying to ruin my diet, but I don't care. I'm gonna have a slice. I had a slice last night, and I'm gonna have another slice like right now. So but I don't know, should I have the slice of cake now? Like, I am wondering to myself if I should have the slice of cake now or I should wait until later. It's Christmas cake. Oh, this is the slice I had last night. If you can see, no, you cannot. And I would not open it and then it fall out. So I had one slice last night and I forced Evan to have peace with me because he bought it for me. Oh, tomorrow's Evan's birthday. Alright, so maybe I should put back the milk for now. I've been up for a while, but I've been drinking my water. And now I need to take my shot off apple cider vinegar. Oh my god, I hate this. I want to say shot. I really mean like 4 cup. I really mean cork full of it. So just shake, 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 shake the devil up because you know you want it shaked. Okay, so this morning I'm just gonna have 3 cork full. Like, I don't know if you can see my face. How rude. So what I've been trying to do is every morning I try to wake up my body with water, and then I do this thing. Yeah, my face looks so white. It's just the camera gives, because it still looks white and I'm white. I think I just wiped apple cider vinegar on my face. So anyways, cheers. That's it. Normally I would have it. Normally I would have had it earlier. Oh my god. Is that not bad, you know? It's not. It's really not. And I'm saying that with an awful looking face. I know. But it's not that bad, to be honest. I know I explained this early on, but I don't think I explained it properly. So I did say the water bottles there, we use them, we reuse them, and that is because we go to the water place, the water plant. What do you call it? The place that sells the water. We go there and get the bottles refilled with a spring water. Boom. Oh, I'm watching this series, guys. It's called The Last Kingdom, I think. Called The Last Kingdom, and it definitely is a good series. Like, you guys will love it. You definitely should watch it. So I'm about to go and watch that and eat my food. Oh, I need to get my computer right. If only life was this way. It's just editing, guys. So let's see if that's really the name of the show. And I am on season 2. I know this, that I'm on season 2, but I don't know the name of the show. Can you believe that? It had me up all night last night. My sandwich is so delicious, and I haven't tried it yet, but I know. So yeah, it is the Last Kingdom actually.
Oh, for the Lord's sake, can you not remain quiet? But yes, the bastard has it. It can only be love. It is a powerful thing. Would you not agree, Lord Utrecht?
I'm going to grovel and watch this, so I'll talk to you guys later, okay?
He's been there for parts of the day and all of the night. He's a good man, and I'm worried that it will damage his reputation. If you can stand, it can only...
You can't lift up your foot off of the ground. Lazy mofo. Tomorrow is your birthday. Well, Mom would say your birthday starts early.
Yes, yeah, she's sitting here. She's saying like,
Happy birthday.
happy birthday greeting early.
Tomorrow is your birthday. It is now. You see that? No. 10:54. Yeah. We're going to the supermercado. Oh, my face might be a little bit greasy because my shea butter on already.
Wow,
The Christmas tree. Alright, so they have Christmas list. I miss Christmas, so I'm putting up Christmas tree. $1,000 for them cake. Alright, so if you want to win a RAV4, that's how you win it at Mega Mart. What? Have you ever seen this? Oreo candy cane. I wonder how it tastes. Let me see. It's kind of tempting, but no. Where's the two? And they have no candles. Got 2 balloons. Can't find a candle. I buy 1 balloon. Can we go bust them anyway? Oh, by the way, Evon's favorite color is green. Right?
Yeah.
He likes shmoney. The shmoney color. We need candle. Yes, I'll get 2 candles that I use. I like 2 big candles. You know the candle that when I use in the hurricane? Can I have one? Like them change on Mega Mart. I'm gonna know when nothing they know. That's awful. Alright, I'm gonna try to find out where everything is and then come back to it because it's weird. I wanna struggle with your one balloon.
Yes.
You don't do it yet? What time? Level 52. You don't tie the one balloon all now?
No.
Alright, I'll blow that one with my one hand. Come here with my evidence here. Really, Evan? We're finally done.
So, what are you going to do with the balloons?
Yeah, I'm gonna play with them. So it is 11:59, guys. So it's time to light the candles. Ooh, ooh. And now it's 12 o'clock. Let's go sing everyone happy birthday. Of that one. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh shit, I'm not getting it on my phone.
Yeah, good.
Happy birthday to you. What's the camera? What's the camera with your phone? Oh my god, I left my phone in the kitchen. I have to do this again. And you have to repeat. Happy birthday to you. Cha, cha, cha. Happy birthday. Every day I show people them cha, cha, cha.
Yes.
To you. Cha, cha, cha. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Cha, cha, cha.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Cha, cha, cha. Happy birthday. Every day I show people them cha, cha, cha. To you. Cha, cha, cha. Happy birthday.
Ja, verschillende cha-cha-cha doen.
Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha. Leidt het?
Ja, bloeit het.
En ze even make a wish first.
Make a wish. Count to 29.
Maar dat is ook wel.
Alright, that wish along. 29 wish. Hip 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 hooray!
I mean, hip hip hip
Hooray!
hip hip
Hooray!
hooray.
Hip hip.
Alright. So I can't go them now, man. I wish I'm having prayer. So now we have these lovely cupcakes topped off in my favorite color.
Yeah, green.
Green.
And your favorite chocolate.
And my I
See?
wasn't even there pay attention.
I was.
Yes, my favorite chocolate. And my favorite color too. Green.
Yeah, I'm not eating a cupcake. I'm going to look fun. I really have Christmas cake to eat.
I should also bring it's just like the king with him and sing it.
Like Christmas cake.
I would just cut piece of cake and eat it.
So every year, 12 o'clock, I do something like this for everyone. Not necessarily with cupcake. The first time was with a real cake. The second time was with cheesecake, and this year is with cupcake. Because technically I'll get cake tomorrow, and then you know, in a sense I get 2-3 cake.
One part. Yeah, so one.
Because what the sense, you know? I just three we alone live, and you three we're not supposed to eat so much cake. So it's like sell them and you cut the yak, cut all of them. So yeah, that's basically it. And the reason why it's a cupcake and not a cake at this hours of the night. Because this other night, 12 o'clock, I'm just like really actually just in birthday. So we'll just do one little cake or a cupcake or something. Just to kick off the birthday. So that's what we do. Yeah, I'm hot now.
Hot?
From all of that cha-cha-cha. I cha-cha-cha 2 times.
Yeah, cha-cha. Yeah, cha-cha. Yeah, pay cha-cha.
In birthday, I don't know.
Birthday never started.
Yeah, birthday just starts. It's like 12:06 now. So yeah, birthday done. Everybody can tell happy birthday, you know, because I'm done cha-cha-cha.
You done cha-cha-cha?
And whatever, and give me excitement for your birthday. Other people tired now for giving birthday. I'm tired.
Yeah. It's all that cha-cha-cha you did.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Later, guys.